Hello, and thank you for your interest in the graduate business programs here at Cal State University Long Beach. So this video will focus on how to select a program from the Cal State Apply system. Now, before you begin the application, you must actually create an account using the Cal State Apply system. So this requires you to create a unique username and to have a personal email address which will be linked to that username. Creating the account is free, and you'll only need to pay the $55 application fee once you've submitted your application to the program. Now, after you've created your account, you may browse through the graduate business programs from your home page. First, you'll want to select the program. You will want to select Add Program button located at the top center of your screen. From there, you'll be asked to filter out your programs and select your campus and the start term. Once you've applied those filters, you'll be asked to select your program. We offer four different programs through our partnership with the Cal State Long Beach Extension Office. Those would be our Daytime Accelerated MBA, our Saturday MBA, the MS in Information Systems, and the MS in Supply Chain Management. All other graduate business programs will be located under the Long Beach Graduate tab. Once you have selected a program to apply for, you'll be taken to the application itself. And for assistance navigating the application, please make sure to view our video on navigating the 4 quadrants of Cal State Apply. If you have any questions, you may also contact our office by phone, email, or stopping by our office. We are located at Cal State Long Beach in the CBA building, room 363. Once again, thank you for your interest in Cal State Long Beach's graduate business programs. We wish you the best of luck as you consider your options for graduate school.